Hey guys, Jeff from PureTesla. Today, I got home and I had a special surprise waiting for me on my doorstep. We're going to unbox it and talk about it here in just a second. Stay tuned. So today I came home and I found that the Tesla high-powered wall connector that I had gotten through the referral program had actually showed up at my door. If you know anything about the referral program, you know that this is a prize that's available to you after just 2 referrals, which is pretty incredible. It's a $500 value, and it's something that can be really useful for a high-powered charge at home. If you know anything also about the referral program, is when you actually do achieve this, you can schedule it in the app, but that's about all that happens, is that it says it's scheduled. And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, kind of like Christmas morning, a high-powered wall connector will show up in this box on your doorstep. Now, certainly there's no leaving it up to the imagination as to what it is. It says Tesla wall connector with a nice big picture on it right on the box. So I'm, 1, happy that it came, and 2, happy that it was still on my doorstep when I got home. So today I wanted to take you through it. I'm going to open it up. I haven't opened yet. I've been chomping at the bit to get it open myself because I've been excited to see it. And so I figured might as well open it with you guys here as well. So let's get to it. I'm a big fan of details, and what I think is super cool is the tape that actually holds the box together says Tesla on it. Love that extra little effect there. So 2 pieces of tape holding the box together. Let's flip this bad boy open and see what we got inside. So we're going to go ahead and take off the foam. Super nice packaging. Everything was all nicely held together. I'm not going to do a ton of disassembly because I'm going to have my electrician come out and actually install this for me. But I did want to at least get down to the place where I saw the high-powered wall connector itself, because if you also know something about the referral program, you know that it is not just the ones that are available on the website. It's a special edition matte black finish with Elon's signature inscribed in it as well, which is super exciting. So as you would expect, all the manuals, all the documentation, all the how not to electrocute yourself while installing it documentation, all the brackets and all that kind of stuff, and the actual mounting plate itself. Just open that up for all of you that are unfamiliar with the high-powered wall connector itself, just to kind of give you an idea of what the device actually is. This is the item that will actually go on your wall, and then your wiring from your home will feed into this plate right here. And then each of these items will then go into the high-powered wall connector unit, which will actually be the piece that's connected to the cable, which then in turn charges your car. So this is the footprint of the device. It's about my hand and a little bit of my forearm here in terms of size. So not too big, not considering the cable, not considering the box that it came in. So we'll throw that off to the side because we'll get to what everyone really wants to see, and that's the device itself. What I find particularly exciting is that it ships with the 24-foot cable. And if you're ever on the fence as to which length of cable that you want, because it comes in 2 different sizes. It comes in the 8-foot cable and the 24-foot cable. If you're ever on the fence, go with the 24-foot. It's no extra money, but it adds a whole range of possibilities for your charging needs. If friends or relatives start getting Teslas and they come over to your house, a 24-foot cable has a much better potential to reach your driveway if they wanted to hook up for a little bit. It doesn't limit which way you can pull into your garage, forward-facing, rear-facing, which side of the garage you might park on. The 24-foot cable is very freeing in that respect. So let's, without further ado, get into the actual unit itself so we can see it. There we go. Oh, this thing is so cool. Here we go. The Tesla Elon Musk edition of the high-powered wall connector. And just for fun and good measure, we'll just go ahead and take that off here. It says Tesla across the top. Like I said, this is a black matte finish. The Tesla is in that reflective component, so it stands out very nicely. And then you have Elon Musk's signature as well. Super cool. I'm really excited to be able to get this installed in my garage. Hopefully my electrician will be able to head out pretty quickly and help me out with that. So the remaining components in the box here is literally just the cable itself. And we'll just, gone this far, might as well go the rest of the way, right? Looks like there's some actual cable ties in here. So I'll show you from the top view. This is the 24-foot cable, the connector itself. I can show you that real quick. It's a nice black connector, which is different than the mobile connector that it ships with. This is the black component to match the black surface of the charger itself. Got 24 feet here of nice solid cabling. And that's it, my friends. That is the high-powered wall connector. I'm very excited to get this hooked up. If you know the difference between the mobile charger that comes with the car and the high-powered wall connector is this has the ability to charge up to 60 amps. That is the difference. You know, you don't get to take advantage of that in the Model 3. Model 3 with the mobile charger that comes with it is capped at 32. But either way, it's going to provide for a faster charging experience for me, which I'm very excited about. And it just looks super cool. I also want to be able to keep my mobile connector in my trunk. You never know when something comes up that you're just going to need to throw on some charge. So I like the peace of mind of having that with me all the time as well. So this is the Elon Musk edition, the special edition version, the referral program version of the high-powered wall connector. Thought you guys might want to check it out. I will do an additional video of the installation process and what it looks like once it's done. And you guys will be the first to see it fired up with me. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions about the high-power wall connector or charging in general, certainly feel free to leave your comments below. And we look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day, guys. Take care.